All right, folks, today we're unboxing something that glows, rolls, and makes you the coolest kid on the block. No, not my old disco shoes. This is the Micro Maxi Deluxe Glow LED scooter. Back in my day, scooters were just planks on wheels. If they lit up, it was probably because they were on fire. Assembly? Easy peasy. Just slot the handlebar into the base until it clicks. Now, to stop this little rocket ship, you just step on this back brake. Steering's all about leaning. As they grow taller and somehow cooler, just open this clamp and raise the bar. Literally. I wish raising my own kids had been this simple. And when the lights go down, look at that glow. No batteries, just pure magic. Like a nightlight you can ride. These wheels light up with motion. That's right. The faster they go, the cooler they look. It's like a mini fireworks show on wheels, the Micro Maxi Deluxe Glow. It's smooth, it's safe, and it lights up like a Christmas tree.